Miss Farr, this is my mom, Terry. Terry, this is Miss Farr. So I would like to thank you both for taking time out of your day to come to conferences. And this is also a very good opportunity for me to share who I am as a learner and what I am learning here at West Middle. I know their strength of mine is reading because we occasionally take tests on this website, and it shows us our reading level, and I got a 10th grade reading level, which I was really happy about. I know that I also need help with math because I'm kind of struggling in decimals and dividing decimals. One wildcat strength I have is I show kindness because when I see someone getting bullied, I try and stop the bully and help them out. And a wildcat need I have is accepting responsibility. Next, I would like to share some of my work so you can see how I am doing as a student. This was my second quarter explanatory essay. How to be a responsible 6th grader at West Middle, and they're going to be read to the 5th graders back at old school, in the elementary school. And if you turn on this back, you'll find the rubric that Ms. Farr used to grade my essay. And I learned how to develop my topic, yet keep it focused with details, explanations, and examples related to the topic. I also worked to make sure I had a strong and clear introduction. I was proficient in the first 2 areas along with my sequencing and putting details in logical order. The part I need to work on is my conclusion. Specifically, I need to remember to tell why the topic is important. I developed my ideas for this paper using a graphic organizer called a FlowScript. It helps me make sure I have included all the necessary pieces to my writing, and it is also an organizational tool, and I had way too many. The second piece of work is my science test over the sun, the moon, and Earth patterns. As you can see, I mastered this information about the phases of the moon, position of the sun, moon, and Earth, and the seasons of the year. I earned 10 out of 10 points.
Good job. Nice.
So do you have any questions so far about my work?
So far?
Okay. So I have goals for West Middle and for success. And my strengths are reading, science, and choir. But I also need to work on PE, math, and getting to school on time. So my first goal is to get to school on time. To achieve this goal, I will have to set an alarm on my phone and make sure to use my alarm clock at right out to us. And I need to pick out clothes the night before, so that way it saves time in the morning. My second goal is to improve my decimals and division. In some ways I can do that is by using flashcards and doing practice problems while making sure to have a calculator to check them. My third goal is getting better in PE. To achieve this goal, I will try harder in Taekwondo class, and I know I'm testing pretty soon. And to get exercise very often, and I know I usually get exercise 4 times a week at Taekwondo. Some people who can help me with these goals are you, my dad, Miss White, Miss Megan, and Miss Barr. And also Miss Noyes, who is my Taekwondo teacher, as you would know. So now we need to come up with a parent and student goal for
Okay. I think your goal of getting to school on time is a good parent-student goal. So we can work on that together.
I think you've started in a good spot too with picking your clothes out the night before. Did you come up with that all by yourself?
she came up with it.
Good idea.
And
Okay, I like the part about identifying her weaknesses in math and how we're going to work on those.
So I feel like I'm the best person to explain all this to you guys because the teachers may know what the problem is in my work, but they don't know what I'm thinking when I'm doing my work. So I feel like it's better to do student-led conferences and then regular just parent-teacher conferences because this way I can explain what I did wrong to you guys and explain what I was thinking when I did my assignments.
It also helps you
So-
set goals.
It also helps with set goals too. So does anyone have any questions?
I don't.
Okay.
Very nice.
Thank
Very
you.
nice.
Thank you for coming to conferences and thank you for coming to conferences too.
And thank you